Well, hey everyone, kind of wanted to do a video here about the aftermarket turn signal lenses that we installed about 8 months ago, and they're horrible. They're full of water, the seals don't work, that side marker actually fell off right after I installed them, and the water is getting to the point where it's actually touching the bulbs and causing issues there. So as you can see, the driver's side's not as bright. The bulb is probably just being destroyed from all that water. Don't buy, I'll put a link to what one it is. Honestly, stay away from it. It's not gonna last. I'm seeing other people complain about it as well. I was actually gonna put some drill holes into it before winter. I forgot. And now winter's here and they're frozen. So I've been trying to do a bit of research on what ones would be good, and other than finding direct, manufacturer replacements, a lot of people are saying that they have to go with the one-piece headlight turn signal, setup. So with that, you have to do a couple modifications to the truck from the fit, and even though it's easy, I just have this thing about cutting parts off of vehicles. So anyway, so next couple days here I'm going to be looking for something to replace them before it gets worse and I won't have running lights or turn signals or anything. So, and if the fronts go out, then you have no rear turn signals because it just screws up the whole thing. So yeah, I thought they looked good. I liked the price. I mean, there was $37 for the whole set, so that kind of tells you right there that they're probably not good. So anyways, when we replace them, we'll do a video on that. I know we haven't really done much lately with video on the Excursion. Some of the stuff that we did, we ended up not doing any videos with. We did put in a new sound system, reverse camera, stuff like that. Some of the stuff you've seen, some of the stuff we really didn't do much. We did get the new tow mirrors, but I didn't do a video of installing them. I just wanted to get them on because we were getting ready to get on the road. So they're on. They look pretty good. That's not plastic braking, they're just ice on them. But they turned out really nice. They do go in if needed. I don't really slide them in because, why? I'm in the driveway. If I am parked in the road or we're at a store or something, I will fold them in. But other than that, I don't see a reason to keep sliding them in and out. That just wears stuff out, and I don't want to do that. So. Oh, anyways, it's cold. I'm gonna go in and look for some replacement turn signal lenses. So until next time, happy trails.